Hey guys, thanks for being here with Hill. That's me. And as promised in my unboxing video, I am going to be playing with my mystery box items that I got in my Valentines box from Jeffree Star. Here is the mirror I got. So here we go. Okay, I brought you guys in a little closer just so you can see the blue blood. I was really excited to get this, obviously because I don't have it, so I'm happy to get any product that I don't have. I wanted to get the blood sugar, but I totally understand that it's not in the boxes because it was sold out when I looked, and I'm pretty sure it's Jeffree Star's best-selling palette to date right now, so who knows if that'll change when his new palette comes out this Friday. So the first shade we're going to use in this palette is going to be Power. This shade right here, Power. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M429 brush, and it's this little one, and I'm going to dip into Power, coat it all on there, and I've already primed my eye with that Milani eyeshadow primer. So what I'm going to do is just go into my crease and just literally just stick it in there and windshield wiper it back and forth. These blues are a little dusty, which reminds me, I always forget this and I regret it instantly. Let's put some powder down. Let's stop what we're doing. These shades are so pretty, but with blues and the formula, there is fallout. They blend great, and they sweep off great. You just want to protect if you already do your makeup before. So I'm grabbing my Real Cosmetics fluffy brush. What is it? The setting brush. Oh, I didn't even know I used a setting brush. I'm going to dip into some e.l.f. powder. And I'm going to put a ton under my eye. Ta-da! Now that we have the powder all down in here, let's go back to the shadow. You can just see I'm just going back and forth, closer and closer. Alright, now that we have Power in our crease and a little blown out above it, let's blend it out a little bit with a lighter shade. So now I'm going to dip into this I'm Cold shade right here. And let's just take a blending brush and take this tapered blending. I don't know what brand it. Oh, it's a Laurice brush, and it's the LR005 tapered blending brush. And let's go in with this blue and blend out. It's so pretty. I'm Cold. Alright, so to blend it out, light it up a little on the top, let's start above what we were just doing and just blend it out back and forth towards the center of our eye. Just keep glittering it. Really like how this blended out that Power shade. Now we're gonna go into Cremated, this shade right here. And it's a little darker than that Power shade that we put in our crease. So here is Power. And here is Cremated swatched. In the pan they look really similar, but I wanted to show they are different. And just since I swatched the two that I'm using, let's put I'm Cold in here. So I'm just coating this little brush with Cremated. And I'm gonna go into my lid with it. I'm gonna go in one more time, but I'm gonna spray it this time with a setting spray, and just because it's a Jeffree Star video, I'm gonna use the setting spray, his Morphe setting spray. I love that thing. I love that spray feeling. Just a good feeling. All right. Alright, now we're going to take that brush we had from before that still has a little bit of that I'm cold, and we're just going to blend. That's what we've got so far. We got a lot of matte going on. I think we need some sparkle for sure. So let's take the shade Deceased. It is crazy. And let's see it swatch next to the others. There we go. I'm making it a little brighter. I'm giving it a risk. To be honest, I wish there was a little bit of darker shimmers in this palette. He only has, I think, these 4, and then that one, and this white. So I wish he had like a darker sparkle that would go more with these shades and this shade. So I'm gonna see how it all works together with this lighter blue. I think it'll be really pretty. Let's take this shortened shader sparkly brush and go in to this pretty Deceased shade right here. And I'm just taking the shortened shader brush. I'm gonna go on the outside, just doing short strokes. I'm gonna go back into that brush again with a little bit of I'm Cold still on it. That's crazy, and blend out that top. Have a little bit of a mess on the corner, but we can clean that up with concealer after. Let's do this shade. It's actually one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's called Ice Tray. This is my favorite shade in the palette, and it's called Ice Tray. I'm gonna go in with my finger. That's why I swatched it. And I'm gonna go in the center of my lid. Just pat it on there. So pretty. I really want to show it mainly in the center of the eye. We're gonna go back into this brush again. Just blend everything. Let's clean up the top under the brow with the shade. That's what I like about this palette. There is a lot of cleanup and light shades, and it's not all just blues. We're gonna go in to this Wealthy, just neutral shade right here. And I'm actually gonna take the Morphe 574 bullet brush. It's typically for your crease, but I can use it under my brow. And I'm gonna start on the outer because that's where I want the most. And I think for the final time, let's take the brush again that we keep using to blend those two. I have to use this shade to show you guys how crazy it is. I want to show you guys this shade Cullinan. I think that's how you say it. Right here, this white. So I'm going to take a clean finger and pop it into the corner of my eye. It's crazy. Yeah. Let's clean up this corner outside with some concealer with my ColourPop E11 brush. Just using the Boing Benefit Concealer in shade number 4. Just using my concealer brush to bring that up how I want it. Alright, now that we clean that up with that concealer, let's take the same E11 brush that we have concealer on and take the Milani eyeshadow primer. This is what I used to prime my eyes earlier. Let's coat this and coat on the lower lash line. But let's sweep all this powder up. I'm gonna go in with the same E11 brush that we just used all that other concealer and stuff. With the same brush, the E11, and we're going to go into Blue Blood. We might as well use the shade that the palette is named after. Just go in and go across. Whoa, this is so pretty. Alright, I really like this lower lash line. Let's throw on the shade Ice Tray to tie a top and bottom shade color together, and let's put on the center of the lower lash line. Alright guys, so I threw on my Eyeshadow Lash Alert mascara and I put white eyeliner on the bottom. This is the eye look using the Blue Blood. I actually really like it. I didn't think I was going to like it this much. I think it's really pretty. It did take a while to do, but I think it really looks good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? So next we're gonna go into the lips actually. Let's go into the most surprising shade, Mistletoe. His green holiday shade. It was kind of like a leftover shade in my opinion that he threw in the box. But I also see where he's coming from because February was the Valentine's Day box and this color is actually good for St. Patrick's Day coming up right after. So yeah, it's the Christmas shade, but it works perfect for St. Patrick's Day. So this is Mistletoe. Next, we're gonna go into the shade Restraints. I really like that. I'm thinking about using it today. And it's like this, I don't even know, like this coppery metal shade. And that is Restraints. Next, we're gonna go into the third shade. Is it Blow Pony? Blow Pony. And Jeffree is actually coming out with this in a mini bundle. Here's Blow Pony. And these are the 3 Velour Liquid that came in the box. Restraints, Blow Pony, and Mistletoe. Interesting. We also got 2 glasses. We have the exclusive shade, the Softcore Sparkle, which I've been wearing a lot. And also I really like this gloss. I think it's Ice Cold is the shade. And these are really sheer. I mean, they're glasses. They're supposed to be. Ooh. And that is Ice Cold. And this is the exclusive Softcore Sparkle. So that is, that is that. Softcore Sparkle looks really pretty over Blow Pony shade. But today I think we're gonna do Restraints. Oh, you know what? Before we go into this, the box also came with some lip scrub. I got the lip scrub mojito. Let's start off with some fresh lips. And can I say these are huge? How much is in here? 1 ounce? An entire ounce. Like, these are huge. And it tastes so good. Hang on, fresh lips. And it tastes so good. Okay, so I got distracted. We're gonna go into Restraints with our freshly scrubbed lips. Ooh. Should I go in? Interesting. I don't think I like it with this. Definitely want to do 2 coats. I mean, they are pigmented. It's not like sheer at all. You can definitely see a little bit, so I want to go over it. Maybe I do like it with it. Yeah, we'll keep it. I really do like this blue look. All right, so let's do another coat now that it's drying. Okay, I lied, I do like it. Do that little trick. All right, so this is Restraints. I like his lipsticks, I think. I don't know, I really like my lippy sticks from ColourPop. You guys know that. I rave about them all the time. His Velour Liquid Lipsticks do go on easily. They don't smear. But sometimes they do flake in the middle. I don't know, maybe I just put too much on or don't let them dry enough before I talk and I do other things. I mean, it does look nice right now. Do the exclusive shade just because it is the products from the mystery box and this is an exclusive. You know what I almost forgot? Last but not least, I didn't even forget it, but last but not least, let's not move on. This is that exclusive softcore sparkle shade over Restraints. I think it looks really pretty. I don't know. I like it more than I thought I liked it. So I can tell you that. Well, I love the lip gloss, but I like Restraints a lot more than I thought I liked it. Now let's go into the last product that I'm gonna use, and it's that Brain Freeze highlighting palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Freeze Tag, the blue shade. Okay, let's take a highlighting brush, or this crown brush thing, 35E brush. That's the brush I always use to highlight. And we're gonna go into Freeze Tag, the blue shade. You know what I actually have been doing with this? I've been using my finger to go in. So Freeze Tag with the finger. Let's make it super bam. Dang, that makes a difference. I mean, I did it a little lower than I wanted, but I like it still. Whoa. And then you go. Yeah, that's crazy. Maybe I should just use this for my little nose highlight. Ooh, whoa, that's crazy. All right. If I need to stop something, maybe I should blend that out a little. Okay, that is still crazy. That's just the light. No, that's like real life. Something has to change. That's crazy. All right. I will fix that. Okay, let me highlight the other side. It's insane. I love it. And like, I never thought I would like a blue highlighter, but like this shade of blue is like perfect. I can't even, my nose, yo. It's hilarious. I love highlight on my lip. I love lip highlight. Yes. Alright, so I tried to blend this stoplight out. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I keep calling it a stoplight. It's just crazy. Woo. This is one of my favorite looks, I think. I was so hesitant about this Blue Blood palette, but I actually really like it. I was even hesitant about this lip color, and I just love this look altogether. It's really, really pretty. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I get really... Definitely one of my favorites. It is really blue, really pretty. I love this highlighting palette. Did you guys like it? Did you guys get mystery boxes? Were you disappointed or happy with what you got? Thanks for sticking around. Until next time, guys. Thanks for being here with him.